So the thing is that if you are storing your data in an arranged format, for that it is compulsory that you should keep your informations in the form of tables, in the form of series. So if you are storing it in the form of tables, then it can be understood as a data frame. If you are storing your data in a series, in a manner, so it can be called as a series. The question arises in front of us that if you are storing anything, in that there is a problem how we can generate the programs, how we can able to write the program. So I am giving you one example. Suppose you want to create one series like 1, 2, 3, so on. So if you are creating this series, for that you have to take the help of import keyword. By this keyword you can import the pandas package in your own files. So here we have to write pandas. After that, another keyword, that is as. It means pandas package that can be known here as any variable name like PD. So here we have given the name of pandas as PD. After that, if we want that the series should be displayed, for that we have to store the data. Like suppose we are storing x. X is a variable that is holding the data, that is holding the points in the form of list. I am giving you the example in the form of list. Afterwards, I will tell you in the form of dictionary also. So first of all, in x you are storing PD dot series. Actually, series is a function, series is a method of pandas package. Through that you can create your own series. So here you can give any data for displaying in the form of series. That can be taken here in the form of list. As you know, for list we have to use the square brackets. That's why we have written this. So after that, this will be stored in x, and at last we can display x. So here the small example of pandas I am giving you. In that pandas that is having its own variable, that is PD. After that we are taking the examples. We are taking the one method, that is series. So in the form of series you are taking this. So here the data is that. So if you want that this data that should not be written here, that should not be written here. For that you can take another example. You can take another example. For the same output we want that import pandas as PD. Import pandas as PD. After that we can store this series in the form of list in any variables like A1, 2, 3. So this list can be stored in a variable that name is A. Afterwards, you can take another variable like B. Here, PD dot series. PD dot series. Afterwards, this variable has to be taken like A. So, the same thing is here. Afterwards, you can display by using print method. So, the question arises in front of us that we are taking the points, we are taking the example of this program for displaying the series in the form of lists. Another example of series I am telling you with the help of lists here. Suppose you want that the index number that should also be displayed with the series. As you know, in the previous video I have told you the things about arrays. Actually, arrays is the main thing for displaying the series in a systematic way. If you want to store, if you want to display the points, for that you have to use arrays. Arrays means the dividation of a variable into some elements. So the point is that if you are taking the points, if you are taking the any variable in the form of elements, suppose we are taking x. So here x we are taking, and it is storing the point 2, 3, 4. See, one element, second element, and third element. It means the arrays we have to make for x. Here 2 will be stored, after that 3 will be stored, after that 4 will be stored. So, if this data that is stored at a different places, if this data is stored at a different places, the location of the data that can also be different. Here I am giving you the example, the index number that will be started by 0, after that 1, after that 2. So if you are storing x0, the value of x0, it means it is displaying 2. If you are writing x1, it means the value that is 3. If you are writing x2, it means 4 will be displayed. So here the point is that if you want that this value that should be displayed in the form of in a proper structure, that structure that has to be divided into elements, or you can say the variable inside points that can be divided into some elements that can be called as an array. Here I am going to tell you one example of arrays also. See, import, same thing, pandas as PD. Import pandas as PD. After that, another package we are taking here, as I have told you in 11th also, about NumPy. So here I am taking the example of NumPy. NumPy is another package that can be used here, like NP. Don't think that we can not take except NP. Except this, you can take any name of the variable. You can take like a PD. You can take anything. This is your own choice. Afterwards, if you want to store the values in the form of arrays, suppose that we are storing x. In x, we are taking NP means NumPy is a package that is having one method, that is arrays. So array you can take, afterwards you can decide, suppose A, suppose another B, suppose C. We are taking this in the form of list. That's why we have to put here this symbol, square brackets. Square brackets, if you are storing, it means it will be considered as a list. So this will be stored in X. Afterwards, we want that this should be implemented. This should be implemented and at another places. Like we are taking by. So in y variable we can store PD dot series. Afterwards you can give the index, means x we have to write. Afterwards another arguments we can give. Another arguments if we want to store, like the data, so we can take, suppose index equal to, we are storing 1, 2, 3 again. So this data will be stored in y. Afterwards we can give the name of this variable as a printing. So here we are writing print, afterwards y. See, by this program I want to tell you that how you are able to merge different methods or different packages in the same programs. Here I want that this should be displayed like A, like B, like C. As you know, the index number that will be 0, 1, 2. In the previous structure I have told you that index number that will be started by 0, afterwards 1, 2 in the same series. So here the point that should be displayed like this. We want that this should not be displayed. For that we are writing this. So here the question arises in front of us, the output of this program. The output of this program that will be in the form of A, B and C. So this can be displayed in the form of series with the help of list, with the help of NumPy package. Another thing is that I am going to tell you the points regarding dictionary. In 11th also, if you have studied the book of 11th, so just you have to revise in the revision classes, revision videos. I have told you the points that you have to revise more and more the 11th syllabus. So here some of the points that has to be taken in 12th also. So about dictionary, I have to tell that dictionary is also such type of data types that can be displayed with its keys, with its data and its keys. The question arises in front of us that what is keys and what is data. Suppose that you are storing your, you are having your name and you are having your, maybe you are having your alias name also. So alias name can be called as a key and your name that can be called as a data. This is the thing about dictionary. So I am going to tell you one another program. See, we want that the output that should be in the form of like A, B, C. Here we want that the output that should be in the form of 0, 1, 2, 3, like 0, 1, 2. For that, if I want to write the program, for that just we are importing. Import is a keyword through that you can take any packages in your files. So here we are taking pandas as PD. After that, if we want that numpy, if we want to take, we can take. So another package we are going to take, import numpy as np. Numpy as np. The thing is that if we are storing this, if we are taking this, so the question arises in front of us that if both the packages we have taken, afterwards we have to initialize the value. We have to initialize the value. So here we are taking one variable like x. We are taking x. Afterwards, if we want to store it in the form of dictionary, for that curly braces we have to use here. Curly braces we have to use here. In between the curly braces, we have to give the value like a. Like A, then as you know, in dictionary we have to define the value how. So column symbol we have to take. Afterwards, you can define 0. So we want that point is also to be displayed because it should be different. So here we are writing points. The first data value that has been defined. Afterwards, we are taking another key feature, key A, key and B key. Here there are two keys, and this key A is having the value that is 0.8. In the same way, we are storing 1 point. Another value we are storing C colon 2, then this. So in the same series, if you want to store anything, you can store. Afterwards, another variable we are taking like y. So in y, we are storing the pandas features. We want that pandas features that should be workable. That's why we have written pd dot series. Afterwards, x we can write. So the series in the form of dictionary, it can be stored in by. Afterwards, we can write here by. So if we want that in the form of dictionary, in the form of list, so you can write the series here. As you know, there are different programs that can be implemented here, but you should also try so that your problems, you should face the problems. Afterwards, you should ask the questions. If you will ask the questions, then definitely I will solve your problems. So the question arises in front of us that there are different way here to display the series. As you know, in previous video I have told you about series, that series can be displayed with the help of loops. But in Python there is a feature. Through that you are able to store a long series or any data frames here. So this is the